Let's find the residue of the following complex function at its singular point. Consider the function f of z equals e to the power of z divided by z minus 4. First, we identify the singularity. This occurs where the denominator is equal to 0. Solving this equation, we find the singular point z0 equals 4. Since the numerator does not vanish at this point, we classify this singularity as a simple pole, that is, a pole of order 1. To compute the residue at a simple pole, we use the standard formula. The residue is given by the limit as z approaches z0 of the expression z minus z0 multiplied by the function f of z. Now, let's apply this formula to our specific function. We set up the limit as z approaches 4 of z minus 4 multiplied by e to the power of z divided by z minus 4. Notice what happens here. The factor z minus 4 in the numerator cancels perfectly with the same factor in the denominator. As a result, the expression simplifies significantly. We are left with the limit of e to the power of z. Finally, by substituting z equals 4, we obtain the final result. Therefore, the residue at z equals 4 is e to the power of 4. Now, let's shift our perspective to the geometric interpretation. Here on the complex plane, we locate our simple pole on the real axis at z equals 4. Suppose we define a small closed contour, gamma, that encircles this singularity. According to the residue theorem, the contour integral of the function around this loop is determined solely by the residue we just found. Specifically, the integral equals 2 pi I times the residue. Substituting our result, the value of the integral is 2 pi I times e to the power of 4.